This First Choice Realtors property video is presented by Fran Kowalo. Downtown Wellsburg Ranch home with 2 bedrooms, bath on main level, also laundry on main level. Large dining room, could become a bedroom. Large updated kitchen. Office could become a nursery. Wood floors throughout house. Great backyard for cooking out. Extra storage in house attic and in garage attic. Garage has 2 garage doors to support outside events. Concrete pad next to garage. For more information, review the details below.